Governor Reynolds released a statement this morning, reading in part, "There is no fundamental right to abortion, and any law restricting it should be reviewed on a rational basis standard," a fact acknowledged today by 3 of the justices. Still, without an affirmative decision, there is no justice for the unborn. But the fight is not over. There is no right more sacred than life, and nothing more worthy of our strongest defense than the innocent unborn. We are reviewing our options in preparation for continuing the fight. Iowa Democratic Party Chair Rita Hart shared a much different reaction, saying, "I'm thrilled that the Iowa Supreme Court will not stand in the way of Iowans who need abortion care, especially when our friends and neighbors already have to navigate so many barriers to health care. Our job as Democrats going forward is to listen to the needs of our fellow Iowans and ensure that folks in every corner of the state can access the medical care they need, no matter where they live or what's in their wallet."